Hello everyone, welcome back to NNN Cuisine. Today is Father's Day and we want to wish everyone a happy Father's Day. And Nava will tell us about her special dish dedicated to the fathers.
For this occasion, I'm making a special dish for all the fathers. I hope you enjoy it. It is butter chicken. So please follow my recipe. And مرحبا. اليوم بمناسبة عيد الأب أنا عندي لكم أكلة خاصة إن شاء الله اللي هي بتر تشيكن ولا زبدة دجاج مع الزبدة. إن شاء الله تعجبكم. أنا هذه مخصوصة لكل الآباء. Okay, like I said in the recipe of the butter chicken, I have 3 pounds of chicken breast, and I'm going to clean it, cut it to cubes. Now, that is after I clean it from that. I'm going to make the chicken small cubes. This is my spices, the one I'm going to use it for the butter chicken, and I have 1 spoon of green cardamom, a half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of cinnamon, powdered cinnamon, and then I will use half tablespoon of curry powder and half tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of paprika, garlic powder, half tablespoon, one tablespoon of salt, and I'm going to use 4 teaspoons of chicken bouillon for the flavor. I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and I put all my vegetable to with half of the spices which I mixed earlier, and I'm going to cook it for 15 minutes in my instant cooking pot, and after that we're going to see what we're going to do. Now my vegetable is ready. Smells so good. Now I'm going to mix it or blend it first. I'm going to take the bay leaves out. I cannot mix it with it. And the ginger. I put a piece of ginger over here. I'm going to take it out and mix the rest of it. Okay, I put 2 spoons of olive oil. And now I'm going to cook my chicken. I mix it with half of the spice. After the chicken is cooked, then I'm going to add my vegetable mix after I blend it to the chicken, and we're going to see what will happen after that. This is the last step of the chicken, butter chicken, and my chicken now it is